Hi everyone. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to apply Offline Aadhaar XML file-based DSC for individuals. Individual Offline Aadhaar XML file-based DSC. First navigate to the Pantasign website www.pantasign.com and click on Buy DSC Certificate option to begin the DSC purchase process. After clicking on the Buy DSC option, you will be navigated to the sign up page. Enter your mobile number, click on the Get OTP button and then enter the OTP you receive. Next, input the valid CAPTCHA code and click on the Next button to proceed. Click on Next button. You will further navigate to the next page. Completion of Step 1 Mobile Verification. We will navigate on to the next page. Choose Applicant Type. Click on Individual Options. Choose Apply with Aadhaar XML file under Individual Options. Then, select Certificate Class, Certificate Type and Validity. On the right, you can choose value-added services such as Need a crypto token? Yes, no. Need assistance services? Yes, no. Enter all the required details as attached in below image to apply with Aadhaar XML file-based DSC. Choose an Aadhaar XML or zip file. If you haven't downloaded it, click Download Offline Aadhaar XML file. Enter the 4-digit XML share code and your details. A. PAN number optional. B. Name as per PAN. C. Email ID. D. Get OTP. Enter email OTP. E. Contact number. Click Next, then enter and confirm your eKYC account PIN, complete the CAPTCHA and select Save and Submit. After clicking on Submit Application button. You will navigate to the next page. In bottom of page click on Upload Video button. Note, please read the given sentence carefully and you don't need to show your ID cards or proof with this, just to read the code correctly. To proceed, click on Capture Video button, record your video, and then click Submit to complete the process. After completion step of uploading the video. You will be navigate to the next page of payment step. Click on the button Payment in the bottom of the page. Now we move on to the next step for payment. Click on Payment and click on All Payment Mode button. Click on Checkout button and choose the suitable mode to make a payment. Your payment step has been completed successfully. Completion of payment. Click on button of application Send to CA till you have to wait for the CA approval and then completes your e-sign verification step. Follow these steps. Open www.pantasign.com. Click on eKYC login option. Enter username, mobile number. Enter user PIN, 6-digit PIN like 1 2 3 4 5 6. Click on Send OTP, then after enter OTP. Enter CAPTCHA code. Click on box I agree to the terms and conditions. Click on Login. After login you will get form below showing Assign Agreement form, then click on Assign Application form. You will get assign done successfully. Then after click on Add Passcode option, then click on Create option, then create 6 characters alphanumeric password, example ABC123, then click on Update. You will get passcode update successfully. For download DSC, please follow these steps. Open www.pantasign.com. Click on Download option. Pantasign Utility, Download Utility, Setup.x, 9.0 megabytes. Run this setup and install Pantasign Utility. Download Cryptographic Token Driver, WDHYP. Open Pantasign Utility. Click on Get Started. Enter application ID, download passcode, applicant date of birth, DOB. Click on Login. Enter OTP. OTP sent to applicant mobile number. Click on Download Signing Certificate. Enter token password, then you will get message certificate download successfully. Thanks for watching.